Oh, they got me with this one. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be getting into the mystery boxes. I have been so excited to open these up. I literally have not opened any of them up since I got them. They're all completely sealed because I wanted to open them up on camera with you guys, but I did get the original 3 mystery boxes. I'll have that video linked over here in the cards for you guys, but I am so excited to get into these because the original boxes made me fall in love with Jeffree Star. After opening those mystery boxes, I definitely started collecting more and more of everything that Jeffree Star was coming out with, and now I have pretty much entire collections from Jeffree Star. But this time there are 3 different mystery boxes. We have the mini mystery box, which is $20 and it contains at least 3 items. Then we have the premium mystery box, which matches my jacket here. This one's $45 and it contains at least 5 items. And then this one, Deluxe, and it is $70 and it contains at least 10 items. And every single mystery box contains at least 1 exclusive item in the box. Oh, I'm so excited. So before I open this, I do have a lot of Jeffree Star stuff, if you can tell from my background. So I'm wondering if there's gonna be a lot of repeat stuff or what is gonna be in here. But let's start off with the mini one. Oh, and before I open this all the way, I want to say that I will be listing down below everything that I've gotten in order of all the boxes and the price of the items in the box. Oh, okay, so we have green tissue paper. I'm gonna be keeping that. Okay, so there's 3 items in here. Do I have this one? So this is a velour liquid lipstick in the shade Scandal. It sounds familiar. It looks like the alien packaging. Is there one called? Oh yes, I do have Scandal. Is it literally the same one? Let's see. Oh yeah, I have a double already, but I will swatch Scandal so that you can see the color of it. I do like this one. So this is Scandal. Next up, we have another liquid lipstick. This one is in the shade Medusa. This one I do not have. I know that for sure because I don't have anything that came in this really cool holographic packaging. Oh, I want to know what color this is. Oh, that is gorgeous. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, it's like kind of like a grayish blue color. I'm gonna put Scandal aside and I'm keeping Medusa. And then the last thing in here is a chartreuse green pop socket. I don't really like pop sockets, but this one kind of calls my name, if you can't tell. So that was it for the mini box. Now let's get into the premium box. So again, green wrapping paper. So this one's supposed to have at least 5 items in it. Ooh, let's see. I'm gonna dig into this first. Oh, they got me with this one. I was like, oh my god. So I have everything from the Jawbreaker collection, and I only saw the side of this lipstick, and then I saw the top of it to see what color it was, and there's a freaking mystery sign on there. Ah! What is this? Is it literally is a question mark. That's so cool. Oh, in the same packaging. Let's see here. Ooh, okay. Just this one right here. Question mark mystery shade. And then I already have this one. This one is actually one of my favorite ones. It's in the shade Karma. What are you, Karma? Yeah, so I'll show you what Karma looks like. A really pretty green color. So this is what caramel looks like. Then we have some more stuff with this holographic packaging on it. This one is called Gargoyle. Then a sparkly bullet. Oh man, it's gray. Ooh, it's a pretty gray. I love gray lipstick. I love lots of colors of lipsticks. This one is like a mauve-y gray. And then the next thing we have is a liquid frost in the shade Frozen Peach, which I do not have. I think the only liquid frost that I have are from the Blue Blood collection. Ooh, yes. This looks so pretty. Get a little bit of this. Ooh, I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell. This is what Frozen Peach looks like. And the last thing in here is a orange pop socket, which I do love the shade orange, especially for lipsticks. So that was everything for the premium box. To open the Big Daddy box, I should not be using these to open boxes, but it's okay. All right, the Deluxe, $70. And you should get at least 10 items in this box. So this one has some pink tissue paper. I'm so excited. Let's see. Oh, wow. Ooh, there's a lot of stuff here. Okay, let's start with the more boring stuff. So we have another orange pop socket. Then I have the Supreme Frost in Money Honey, which I do already have. I'll just swatch this out for you guys. I love this one. Look at that pretty shine it gives. Ooh. And then the next thing in here is a velour lip liner, which I am excited about because I only have one of the velour lip liners. I can get you out of the package. Come hither. Ooh, okay, so this one's in the shade Leo. The one that I have is in the shade Androgyny. Oh, that's a pretty nice neutral brown shade. I'm happy about you. Then we have a velour liquid lipstick in Celebrity Skin, which I don't know if I have that one. I do not have this one. This one's so popular, I thought that I did have it. Let me swatch it. Ooh, that's a good nude. That would go pretty well with Leo. Here's Celebrity Skin. I feel like that would go pretty well with Leo. What do you guys think? We have another liquid lipstick. This one's in the shade Diva, which I do not have. The hot pink. Here's Diva. There's another liquid lipstick that I don't have either. This one's in the shade Poinsettia. It's a metallic red. Ooh, hello, honey. Oh, okay. It's not like a really bright red. It's a little bit more of a subtle metallic red. And then we have another mystery shade, but I feel like it's the same as the other one. Yeah, it's the same mystery shade, which I'm a little bit bummed out about. I kind of wish it was like a little bit more of an out there color. Let's see, do I have this one? I do have this one. This is the velour lip scrub in Rainbow Sherbet. I have it right, oh god, right here. It's green. I like this one a lot. And then I have a Jeffree Star reusable straw, which is kind of funny because I actually was gonna buy some of the straws because I'm a person that likes drinking out of a straw. And I actually was looking at the pack that was like all of the green straws. So I'm actually pretty happy about getting one of the straws. And then the last thing in here is a shirt, which y'all know I like this Jeffree Star merch. Oh wow. Okay, so it's got the Jeffree Star logo on the front, and then it says, "Hi, how are ya?" on the back. And I love this because it actually matches the jacket that I'm wearing. So I think it'll go perfect, especially when it gets a little bit colder outside. I feel like these are gonna match so well. All right, so final thoughts. I do like these mystery boxes more than the original ones because there wasn't any repeat products in all of the mystery boxes. The original ones, there were some that I had, I think like 3 of the same lipsticks, like 2 of the same highlighters. Like it was a lot of repeat stuff. And even though I owned some of the stuff already out of these mystery boxes, I'm still really happy about everything that I got. Out of all 3, I do think the premium box is my favorite box that I got, just because it has the straw, the different lipsticks, and the t-shirt in it. I'd much rather have that than paying 20 bucks for 2 lipsticks. I'm not as excited as I thought I would be, just because the mystery shade is more like a basic pink shade. I wish it was a little bit more out there, since everything is very bright, neon, colorful. The chartreuse colors. I would have even liked a different shade of green or even a different shade of purple in this packaging rather than just a pink shade. So that kind of got me disappointed, but I do really like the t-shirt and I am really happy that I got the straw. And luckily I do have a YouTube channel, so I can put all of this away for a future giveaway for you guys. So give me a thumbs up if you guys want a Jeffree Star giveaway. I know I don't do a ton of giveaways on my channel, but when I get a chance to do stuff like this, I am really happy that I do get some stuff that I've already bought, because I can give it away to you guys. Also, don't forget that I will have everything listed in the description box for you guys, so if you don't know what shade I said or you want to see what's in what box, I'll have it all in my description box. Comment down below what you think and what was your favorite box. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you love Jeffree Star stuff, and I'll see you guys in my next video.